Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am in a paint suit. So we're painting right now. Walk with me and I'll show you a couple of quick updates on what's been going on. So all of these rooms that we're walking into have now been painted and are ready to get their ceiling installed. And you can see in here, the ceiling grid has been installed in here. The fire alarm system is being installed right now. And then here you'll see, instead of a window, we have a door. And maybe Andrew can splice in some of the demolition footage that I got the other day. All of our bathroom tile is all complete, as you can see in here. It's all covered up because we're doing drywall work in here also. We're starting to paint all of these big walls out here. In the, I'm not sure what we're calling it, the sanctuary is what I've been calling it. You can see in the ceiling, you know, the spray foam insulation has gone in, and the reason I'm wearing this suit today is because I'm starting to paint the ceiling black, as you can see over here. Welcome back to one more week here at the new building renovation. So as you can see, we're making a ton of progress. We are almost done with painting the whole space. So most likely all of the painting will be done by the end of this weekend. Our electricians have been here every day. We have lights installed in the sanctuary. We've got almost all of the lights installed in all the other classrooms too. The plumbers were here yesterday. We've got a couple of toilets installed. They're gonna be back, and yeah, we're making great progress. So thank you guys for continuing to pray for us. Please continue to do so. We need just grace and favor with the city and with our inspections that we'll have coming up. So, but we're pushing hard to get in here as quickly as we can. So thank you guys.